Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this lovely 108 in the active specification. So we've taken this car in part exchange, having originally sold it from new. It's got full service history with Howard's, and some of its features include DAB digital radio, there's Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning. The car also has a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. It's done less than 40,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.